Hey there, Aussie crypto explorers! Tired of signing up for trading platforms that promise the world but leave you more confused than confident? I've been down that road too, more times than I care to admit. Some platforms have sleek interfaces and big promises, but once you dig in, it's all noise and no results. But not long ago, I came across something that finally cuts through the clutter. It's called Immediate Neon. Now, this isn't just another flashy trading app. Immediate Neon is a fully automated, AI-driven crypto trading platform, purpose-built for Aussie users. And unlike most trading bots, this one actually makes crypto investing feel effortless, intelligent, and surprisingly low stress, even if you've never traded a day in your life. Here's the best part. I've scored access to an exclusive invite link, and if you register through it, you'll unlock a special welcome bonus that's not available on the public site. It's a limited time offer for early users, so don't miss your shot. Tap the link in the description below to claim it. So, what makes Immediate Neon different? 100% hands-free trading. The AI scans global markets around the clock, spots profitable opportunities in real time, and executes trades automatically, all on your behalf. No more staring at charts or second-guessing the market. Zero experience required. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a total beginner, the system does the heavy lifting. In terms of results, users are seeing daily returns between 150 and 400 Australian dollars, with some hitting monthly gains up to 70%. Of course, market conditions vary, but once it's set up, it runs on autopilot. That's smart passive income, powered by real-time AI. And here's something critical. Immediate Neon is built with Aussie regulations in mind. It's fully compliant with AUSTRAC, follows KYC and AML protocols, and protects your data with military-grade encryption. Everything is hosted on secure, Australia-friendly cloud infrastructure. So yes, you can finally trade crypto with peace of mind. Setup is a breeze. Immediate Neon connects with major exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. Just link your wallet, activate the AI bot, and you're in business. Plus, their Australia-based support team is available 24/7. Real people, ready to help when you need it. Let's not forget, that invite link, it's your key to the full experience. Sign up using the link in the description, and you'll unlock a bonus that gives you a serious head start. More features, more control, better results from day one. Another thing I love? The AI behind Immediate Neon doesn't just react to market trends, it predicts them. Using advanced machine learning, the bot adapts to market changes in real time, becoming smarter and more profitable the longer you use it. You're also never out of control. The built-in risk management system lets you set stop losses, adjust your risk level, and choose which coins to focus on. It's automated, but you stay in charge. And just to be clear, Immediate Neon is no offshore mystery company. It's a local platform designed specifically for Australians, by a team that knows the regulatory landscape and takes transparency seriously. They even run live onboarding sessions for new users, which is pretty rare in this space. So, if you've been on the fence about entering the crypto world, this is your sign. With powerful automation, full Aussie compliance, and a beginner-friendly approach, Immediate Neon puts you in the driver's seat. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description, sign up, grab your exclusive bonus, and start building your crypto future with Immediate Neon, the smarter, safer way to grow your portfolio in Australia.